Guys, I brought a new Ramen Culture Show. Subscribe if you're not. Welcome back. Leave a like, hit the bell, and I'm gonna ride this. And okay, I'm trying to park it. And there's a monster coming right here. Here, monster, record. Record me. We're not gonna play monsters. Don't play monsters, Dan. I'm just gonna try to drive it. Okay, guys? Come, record it. I'm going to park here. With my remote control. No, right there's the end. Oh, guys, bye then. It's stuck. I think it's gonna. Hey, see? Stop going up there. Okay, Sam. That's a bug. Guys, I can't park that much.
See my shoes. Look, over here.
I got new shoes. Look.
Yeah.
These are my new shoes. Guys, look at me. Go record.
Oh, guys, it's really bigger.
You see, guys?
No, I can't see it.
That's my name. Okay, guys. It's right there. Oh, it looks disgusting. Okay. Steven's driving. Steven, you don't even know how to drive. Okay, guys. Okay, guys. I'm gonna drive here. Record it. Steven, you're over the recorder. Okay, guys. Just record it. That's good.
Yuck. No, over here. Look, over here. And over here. Okay? Oh my god. Yeah.
Guys, I parked. Record it. I parked, guys. Boom, boom, boom. Do it. Steven, do it. Bum, 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 bum. Bum, 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 bum. Okay, guys. My control. Guys, want to see it again? We parked. We were trying to do this until it didn't work. We're going to go like that. Here to this way. That way. This way. And the finish. Steven got new toys.
Yeah, dude.
Okay, I was recording. Hi, guys.
Right?
Right, guys. You're gonna
And
see
these are eagle, man. These are eagle. And this guy, no. This guy.
this is the, you got two. Okay, guys.
No, 3.
Okay. Oh, no, never mind. Got 3. And I got this. My baby got 2 new shoes.
Okay, can I go now?
Wait, no. Angel, show them where's your shoes. His new shoes. Guys. Reeboks. They can't see, Angel. Because it's the black color. Okay, guys.
Okay, I'm gonna go.
Guys. Toby. Smells bad. Okay, guys. No, you don't know how to use it.
I'm gonna go.
Okay, guys. I'm going to try to park again. But this time, I think I'm going to put back in. Then, should I put first down again? Because it's easy to front. Dude, just record here. Just record. Tomorrow we're going to sky zone or not. Stop! What are you doing?
I'm just looking at the lines.
Okay, there's one. Go, ready?
Yeah. Over here. Can you see my foot? No. Oh my god. Look over here. Look, can you see my look over here? Okay? Over here. Yeah, like that. We're here.
I parked. Guys, I parked. One more parking. But go more a little bit far. Okay, guys, one more parking and that's it. The end of the video. Go more far, Steven.
Okay.
Right.
Right there?
Right here.
Oh.
Okay, guys. Let's sit down. You.
Every three.
One more parking.
Yeah. We need to do a move this way. Wait.
Give this video 1,000 likes and give this video
Can you give it a 1,000?
two,
Subscribe to our channel.
6, 7,
Subscribe to our channel. and
10
then
likes. 10 likes.
if you
10
don't
likes.
subscribe-
Here, hold it.
If you don't subscribe, I got my toy. Spider-Man.
Steven.
Stop. Oh. Wait.
There, I parked. Guys, I parked again.
Look at my.
So
Wait,
this is
Spider-Man
good.
driving.
Steven. Okay, Steven. Go. Oh. Guys. Ready? Steven, go. What?
It's Martin.
Okay.
Is it crack? Okay, no.
Guys, my arm's on this crack, so 1, 2, 3. Turn it up, hit the bell, subscribe, leave a like, hit the bell, subscribe, and I will do something that I don't never do things, and you so nice, and I will die. Steven, peace. Wait, do it again. Peace.